Would you like to learn how to make the most delicious lemon garlic aioli sauce? Just like this? Well, in this episode of the Lisa D Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing lemon garlic aioli sauce. We're going to use some fresh garlic and lemon and some other yumminess. You make your lemon garlic aioli sauce like this, it's guaranteed to be really, really bussin'.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. It's time I Lisa D Delight.
Okay, LDD family, let's get into this recipe. As usual, your ingredients and measurements and such will be in the description box below. Okay, so first thing we want to do is get our lemon all juicy, wet, and dripping. Get your mind out the gutter, child. I'm talking about the lemon. Jeez, I can't take y'all nowhere. If the lemon is really hard and you cut it and try to squeeze it, it will be hard to get the juices to release from the lemon. But by rolling it, when you cut it and squeeze it, the juices will flow easily. Next, we're going to go in with some mayo and some lemon juice, as well as some lemon zest. And you want to use fresh lemon here. That lemon juice that comes in a jar, that's so yucky. Actual real aioli is an emulsification of olive oil and garlic, but I like to cheat because the way my time is set up, child, ain't nobody got time to be making no real homemade mayonnaise, child. So I use the mayo, and that way the egg and the oil and everything is already in the mayo. Work smarter, not harder, beloved. When zesting a lemon, be sure to only get the yellow part and not the white, because the white is bitter. I love this lemon garlic aioli sauce because it's so versatile. It goes so well on so many different things. It's super yummy on burgers, french fries, fresh veggies, roasted veggies, steak. Oh my god, you can just about put it on anything. But you know, Lisa D, I always got to add my secret ingredients and take the flavor profile up a couple of notches. And that's exactly what that sweet chili sauce does. It gives it that little tangy sweet kick. And I like to replace my mustard with some Chick-fil-A sauce. Chick-fil-A sauce has a mustard base, but it's like 10 times more flavorful than regular mustard. And I also added a while ago some grated garlic. You want to grate the garlic because you want it to be really fine. You don't want big chunks of garlic in your sauce. And then mix well, and it's done, son. Another thing this sauce goes really good on is this deep fried corn on the cob that I made. It was super yummy. I'll leave the recipe above. You're welcome. Well, that was fun. Always remember, when you cook from your heart with love, you can't go wrong. Have a delicious and delightful day. God bless you. Bye. Oh yeah, and if you're feeling my vibe, please subscribe and do me right by hitting like. Thank you. Bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe. So good. Make sure you like and subscribe. So good. Make sure you like and subscribe. So good. Make sure you like and subscribe. So good.